Hello and welcome. In today's episode of Milky Way TV, I'm going to take you behind the scenes in the studio to share with you one of my favorite wraps. Hello and welcome. If we haven't met, I'm Lisa from Milk and Honey Photography and the Milky Way, and I inspire, empower photographers just like you to create the business, life, and art of their dreams. So I know when you're getting started, it's really confusing. There's so many different poses, there's so many different wraps. I want to quickly share with you one of my favorite wraps that gives big results. There's lots of little variations that you can do with it, and it's super fun. My clients absolutely love it. So come on with me, we're gonna head into the studio.
So we're gonna move into a peak toe type of wrap. So what I've done with my beanbag right now is I've actually added probably an extra 10 blankets to it, just so I have a large divot in the center and it's extra squishy. So what I'm going to do is just going to put his hands together over here, see if they'll stay, and I'm going to crisscross this wrap. Kind of bringing over his little booty under. And just tucking underneath. And we're just trying to not have his little goodies showing. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep wrapping around. I think I'm going to do a double layer on here on the inside because I can see just a little bit more booty than I want to. So I just want to have a double layer going there. Now, where are we coming from? Tuck that. I'm going to bring this up. And I'm going to bring it around his shoulders up here. And bring it nice and tight around. Handsome. Hi. Okay, so we've got a little toesy toes poking out. And pull that nice and tight and we tuck that in. See where it goes. Pretty much I'm just tucking and just checking where things are tucked, how they're tucked, and seeing if I like them. Okay, so my goal is to have this guy's little feet up a little bit higher. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just some rolled up towels, and I'm just going to shove it under his little booty, just to raise it up. And I'm going to put under like the very bottom. Okay, and we're going to work on the top half here. And I'm going to take the shot and then I'm going to adjust his little head. Now I'm focusing on his little eye here right now. So if his little feet are closer to my camera, they're going to be out of focus unless I stop down. Also, I'm going to tilt his little booty up a little bit higher, so we're just doing a little bit of an adjustment. And tucking, tucking, tucking. I'm going to turn his little face ever so gently. There. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is just get these little hands together if I can, whatever sort of position I can get them into. Just trying to make sure I'm able to see his little face. There. Right, sir. All right. That's really cute. The hands aren't exactly how I want them, but I want to take the shot just to make sure I've got something for Mom. So I call it the safety shot. Always make sure you're taking a safety shot just in case, you know, baby decides they've had enough with you. So at least you haven't worked for 25 minutes for nothing. Oh, he's just a little dreamboat. Hey, sir, I think I got a crush on you. You're a lovely guy.
So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have loved learning this wrap. I can't wait to see some of your amazing results. And don't forget to download your free posing guide. It's in the description below. And if you have not hit subscribe, make sure you ring the bell so you don't miss a single trick, tip, or tutorial. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in the next episode.